The subject of this video is Teams and device settings. You may have multiple microphones, cameras that you use depending on your scenario. I even use a phone in some cases because the camera can be positioned a little better than the laptop. So let's go into Teams, go to Settings and then Devices, and here you can set your defaults. So that's my recording device. You can see my monitor, you can see my MacBook and my phone. There's other settings as well. I've seen people use the backgrounds and other settings, and I find that they just don't sound or look that great. So I tend to leave the settings as a default so that it looks more natural. If you see problems, it's most likely your connection on the network, high latency or low bandwidth. Hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.